Wel- Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We have an OC&T grain hopper train passing the Perry Street station in Titusville. Let's check it out. And it's also meeting the OC&T passenger train with the former Canadian National Unit leading. Let's check it out. We got a grain hopper train. Let's check it out at Perry. We actually got him just in time. It's meeting the OC&T passenger train. It's not moving. I gotta do some more separations of these OC&Ts, but I also gotta finish shorten up the trains from last year and a couple of years ago when we started the Train Expert channel. We'll see if they're done for the day or the freight's still gonna go on. That's why. There's the end. Assemble on that train, I said on the last video, is the OC&T Elko 75. That train originates to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, heads east to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where the video's at, and we are at where it terminates. All on this Wednesday, January 18th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, this is probably going to be it for today for Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We'll be back on next week or unless later today for more train video, or later this week for more train videos. Make sure one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey's regular channel page. And speaking of which, don't forget we have a premiere at 8:30 tonight. It's honoring our New Year's Day 2023 for all of us at Jeffrey's regular channel page and Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. So, but we're going to get off and we'll get back on next week or later this week for more train videos. Talk to you later.